Hi everyone, welcome to my Physics Thinkers channel. In my channel, I have started a APE set full course for diploma students, those who are writing in 2025 year of exam. My videos are available Tuesday at 5 p.m. Another video will be available on Thursday at 5 p.m. And also my video available on Saturday at 5 p.m. Students, you can utilize my channel to get good marks. In this channel, I am going to give a solved example for especially triple E students. The topic is basic electrical engineering solved bits. You have a syllabus, the basic electrical engineering. Let's start the first question. The substance having a large number of free electrons and offering low resistance. Your guess is correct. The best substance is conductors. Why? Because they have low resistivity and high conductivity. That's why that answer is conductors. Copper and iron are best examples of conductors. Next question. The material having a few number of free electrons and offering very high resistance to the flow of electric current. Now that means the current will not flow. It will be opposes. The answer is insulator. The best example are plastic and wood. Insulator have high resistivity and low conductivity. Here, which of the following according to KCL means Kirchhoff current law must be 0? The answer is, who can guess? The algebraic sum of currents and entering leaving a junction. Nothing but is equal to the entering currents and equal to the outgoing currents whenever leaving the junction. That was the KCL law. Which of the following type of circuits in electrical engineering cannot be analyzed using Ohm's law? We already know that Ohm's law V is equal to I into R. Nothing but does not obey nothing but unilateral network. That means it consists of diodes and transistors. Such network only allows current flow in one direction. That's why Ohm's law it not be analyzed using in this electrical engineering level. Next question is how many direction can the electric field at a point have? Here electric field is a vector quantity. Vector quantity have both magnitude and direction. Magnitude means a value. The electric field at point has only one direction. Here the best answer for the electrical field at a point it will be how many points will have we can check. That was the perfect answer. Next, move on to the next question. Which of the following correct about direct current, DC current? Here the options we can check. The answer is DC current has a fixed value or does not change with time. You know that DC current cannot contain frequency. That's why frequency is always zero in the DC circuit, as it does not change with time. That was the main answer is DC current doesn't have frequency. We can check the answer can be transported to large distance with less loss in power. That was the advantage of DC current. Next, the question is how many electrons will constitute 2 coulombs of electric charge? Here are the option. We know that 1 coulomb of charge consists of 1 divided by 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 electron. That is, we can get 6.24 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Here we can given in the question 2 coulombs of charge. We can do the product 6.24 into 10 to the power of 8 into 2. We get 12.48 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. That was the 7 questions. Thank you very much for watching my video. You can click the notification bell to get more about the solved question and answer. Students, utilize my video. You can get good marks. Share and subscribe to my Physics Thinker channel. My videos are available every week, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Students, next my video will be available on Saturday at the time 5 p.m. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much, students. Bye bye.